Hi, I'm Mike Heller, Director of Product Management for Datashield. We're really excited about this newly formed partnership with ExtraHop. We know that by combining the network detection capabilities of ExtraHop alongside the NDR service of Datashield, we're poised to present the market with a compelling offering. Over the next minute or so, we'll be showing you some of the ways that Datashield provides value through our NDR service.
Datashield is a leading cybersecurity company that protects organizations by providing complex forensic cybersecurity services. The flexibility and scalability of cloud meets the comprehensive nature of 24/7 365 monitoring, investigation, and incident response. This is all brought together by SHIELDVision, Datashield's proprietary threat hunting and security orchestration platform. Here are the top 5 reasons Datashield brings the value in every opportunity. 24/7 365 threat monitoring. Datashield is an extension of our customer security teams and not only provides monitoring, but also forensic investigation and response. Data stewardship. We provide management and oversight of an organization's data assets to provide business users with high-quality data that is easily accessible in a consistent manner. Content development. We customize bundles and triggers to continuously develop and ensure threat defense is optimal with content specific to attack vectors that matter to our customers. Threat intelligence. We use evidence-based knowledge about an existing threat to assets that can be used to detect, escalate, and respond. Proactive threat hunting. Our analysts proactively search through records to detect and respond to advanced cyber threats that evade traditional rule or signature-based security controls. Datashield and ExtraHop put together provide a powerful network detection and response solution. Rapid cloud deployment and an NDR focus make this package an affordable and scalable one. This is true for organizations of varying sizes across all industries. Thank you for watching. To find out more, visit us at datashieldprotect.com.